The big question on every investor's mind right now is simple. Can the Sensex really hit the 1 lakh milestone by 2026? India's stock market has been on a historic run, with the Sensex crossing multiple record highs in recent years, and optimism is at an all-time peak. But before we get carried away, it's worth looking at what history actually tells us. Since its inception in 1979, the Sensex has grown from just 100 points to more than 75,000 today, delivering compounded annual returns of around 15%. Along the way, it has faced crashes, global crisis, and political uncertainty, but the long-term trend has always been upward. Historically, the index has doubled roughly every 7 to 8 years, but in periods of strong growth, the doubling has happened much faster. For example, between 2003 and 2008, the Sensex shot up from 3,000 to over 20,000, a nearly seven-fold rise in just 5 years. Similarly, post-COVID, the index surged from 25,000 in March 2020 to above 75,000 in less than 4 years. These past cycles show that sharp upward moves are not impossible, provided economic growth, corporate earnings, and liquidity all align. If we project current growth trends, hitting 1 lakh by 2026 would mean an annualized return of around 15% from present levels, something the Sensex has delivered multiple times before. The big drivers will likely be India's GDP expansion, corporate profit growth, reforms, and foreign inflows. However, risks cannot be ignored. Global recession fears, rising interest rates, geopolitical tensions, and foreign institutional investor selling could slow down the rally. Volatility will always remain a part of the market journey. The key takeaway is this. While history suggests that Sensex 1 lakh by 2026 is ambitious, it is not impossible. Long-term investors who stay disciplined and invest through SIPs or diversified portfolios could benefit the most if this milestone is achieved.